Welcome to the Art Integrated Project Social Science. We, the students of Vidyapratishthan's Someshwar English Medium School (CBSE), present the project on the topic Location, Extent and Heritage of Maharashtra and Odisha. Acknowledgement. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our teachers, Mr. Sachin Nimbalkar and Mr. Ajit Bhosle, as well as our principal, Mr. Sachin Pathak, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic Location, Extent and Heritage of Odisha and Maharashtra, which also helped us in doing a lot of research and we came to know about so many new things. First of all, let us meet our team members.
Hello everyone, my name is Atharva Vekapre, studying in Standard 10 at Vidyapratishthan Someshwar English Medium School.
Hi, my name is Anand Bangar. I study in class 10 in Vidyapratishthan Someshwar English Medium School. My roll number is 4 and I am from the group 11.
Myself, Ayush Sachin Khaire from class 10T, studying in Vidyapatishan Someshwar English Medium School, roll number 18.
Hi, myself Rushabh Ramchandra Kadam from class 10th A, roll number 15, group number 11.
Myself, Sanket Sanjay Barokar, studying in 10th A in Vidyapratishthan Someshwar English Medium School, roll number 6.
Let us move towards the index. Today we are going to discuss aims and objectives for the project, location and extent of Odisha, heritage sites in Odisha, first the Konark Sun Temple, Udaigiri and Khandagiri caves, and last the Ananta Vasudeva Temple. Location and extent of Maharashtra, heritage sites in Maharashtra such as Raigad Fort and Ajanta and Ellora caves, references and certificate. Let's move on to the aims and objectives. First, to know about the location and extent of Odisha, and next to know about the heritage site in Odisha and Maharashtra.
Now let us move towards location and extent of Odisha. Odisha lies between the latitude 17.780 degree north and 22.730 degree north, and between longitudes 81.37 degree east and 37.53 degree east. The state has an area of 1,55,707 km square, which is 4.87% of the total area of India, and a coastline of 450 km. In the eastern part of the state lies the coastal plain. It extends from Subarnarekha River in the north and the Rushikulya River in the south. The Lake Chilika is part of the coastal plains. The plains are rich in fertile silt deposits by the six major rivers flowing into the Bay of Bengal.
Konark Sun Temple. Konark Sun Temple, Konark Surya Mandir, is a 13th century CE year 1250 Sun Temple at the Konark, about 35 kilometers 22 miles northeast from Puri on the coastline of Odisha, India. The temple is attributed to the king Narasimha Deva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty about 1250 CE. Second, dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya, what remains of the temple complex has the appearance of a 100 feet, 30-meter high chariot with immense weight and height, all covered from stones once over 200 feet, 61-meter high. Much of the temple is now in ruins. In particular, the large shikhras towers over the century at one time this rose much higher than the mandapa that remains. The structure and element have scored survive are famed from their interact artwork, iconography, and themes including erotic kama and mithuna scenes, all called the Surya Deliva. It is a classic illustration of the Odisha style of architecture or Kalangana architecture. This is the picture of Konark Sun Temple in Odisha.
Udaigiri and Khandagiri caves. Udaigiri and Khandagiri caves, formerly called Khattak caves or Kuttak caves, are partly natural and partly artificial caves of archaeological, historical, and religious importance near the city of Bhubaneswar in Odisha, in India. The caves are situated on two ancient hills, Udaigiri and Khandagiri, mentioned as Kumari Parvata in the Hathigumpa inscription. This is the image of Udaigiri and Khandagiri caves.
Ananta Vasudeva Temple. Ananta Vasudeva Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Krishna, an avatar of Lord Vishnu, located in Bhubaneswar, the state capital of Odisha, in India. The temple was constructed in 13th century and the complete murtis of Krishna, Balrama and Subhadra are worshipped there. Balrama stands under a seven-hooded serpent. Subhadra holds jewel pot and lotus in her two hands, keeping her left foot over another jewel pot, while Krishna holds a mace, chakra, lotus and a conch. The temple dates back to the period of Chandrika Devi, the daughter of Anagabhima III, during the reign of the king Bhanudeva. A commemorative inscription that marked the foundation of the temple can be found in the British Museum's collection. This is the image of Ananta Vasudeva temple.
Location and extent of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the third largest state in area in India after Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. It covers an area of 3,07,713 km square and it bordered by the state of Madhya Pradesh to the north, Chhattisgarh to the east and Telangana to the southeast, Karnataka to the south and Goa to southwest. The Maharashtra occupies the western and central part of country and has long coastline stretching 720 km along the Arabian Sea.
Now let us move towards some heritage sites of Maharashtra. First is Raigad Fort. Raigad is a hill fort situated in Mahad, Raigad district of Maharashtra, India. It is one of the strongest forts in the Deccan Plateau. Many constructions and structures that we see on Raigad were built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj when he made it his capital in 1674. The fort rises at 20 meters, 2700 feet above the sea level and is located in the Sahyadri mountain range. There are approximately 1737 steps leading to the fort. The Raigad ropeway and aerial tramway exists. The height of the ropeway is 400 meters in height and 750 meters in length and takes only 4 minutes. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj seized the fort in 1656. Shivaji Maharaj renovated and expanded the fort of Raivi and renamed it as Raigad, King's Fort. The village of Pachad and Raigad Wadi are located at the base of the Raigad Fort. The actual climb to the top of the Raigad Fort starts from Pachad. Here is a picture of Raigad Fort.
Ajanta and Ellora caves, recognized as the most prominent places to visit in Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora caves are replete with finely carved sculptures and spectacular paintings related to Buddhist culture. Ellora caves are subdivided into three parts which include Hindu caves, Jain caves and Buddhist caves. The cave number 16 or Kailash temple is another major highlight of vacationers who visit here to offer their prayers to Lord Shiva. You can also head to its open air market and purchase some authentic Buddha sculptures handcrafted by local artisans. Highlights: Buddha paintings and sculptures. Kailash Temple, Ajanta Ellora Festival organized in October. Location: Ellora Caves Road, Ellora, Maharashtra. This is the image of Ajanta and Ellora Caves. The references we used in the project are wikipedia.com and Google Images. This is the certificate for the project and here I declare the project is completed. Thank you.